The hotel is very special because the view from the rooms is very special. It's very ugly and unpleasant. So I think it is a hotel with the worst view in the whole world. We did not build this building. It existed and it has a permit. So what we've done was just to renovate. What we've done was just like knock down interior, like everything was knocked down, and we rebuilt everything that you see.
Banksy is a new Banksy. Some other works exist in this room.
There's Oren.
This colonial room that is like on the edge of like falling apart. So it's all like, it's very mundane, it's very refined, it's very lush, but then when you look at details, you could just see like that it's just about to like really mess up art.
So the museum at the moment is incomplete. There are a few rooms open. We're standing in the first of them, which is a historical diorama, a reenactment of the signing of the Balfour Declaration. It's very moving when I just press this button here.